Welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today, Chef Dom's gonna show you a shrimp scampi, but this is not your ordinary shrimp scampi. This was a Daddy Jack's original shrimp scampi. There are many different variations and recipes for this type of entree, but believe me, you're gonna knock your socks off when you eat this.
It's got mushrooms and tomatoes in there.
Oh,
it's really good.
Yeah.
We already tried it.
And there's a special butter that Dominic puts together before he makes this dish that really makes this dish stand out. Anyway, let's get cooking.
Today I'm going to show you how to make garlic butter that we used to actually do with Daddy Jack's. It has unsalted butter, smoked paprika, Worcestershire, salt, pepper, garlic of course, and fresh lemon juice and parsley.
Nice.
We got some beautiful big lemons here, man.
Look at the size of that.
Look at the size of that, man. All right.
Start chopping that garlic.
Yeah, we'll chop the garlic first. That was only 2 cloves of garlic. The size of this garlic. Beautiful.
Pretty huge.
We're going to use a mixer. We used to do this by hand at Daddy Jack's. We used to do like, I don't know, we probably went through 60, 70 pounds of garlic butter a week. I want to dedicate this video to Jack.
Oh, absolutely.
Chaplin. To Daddy Jack Chaplin.
Yeah, this is a Daddy Jack's
recipe. I got my Daddy Jack's apron on. I've had for like probably 15, 20 years. I've never worn it. I just found it in my closet,
that looks good.
And it looks...
I like it.
Yeah. We're going to get our garlic in there first.
Okay.
I'll put a little salt and pepper in here too. Oh, and you got to use unsalted butter. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of Worcestershire. Like I said, I probably used to use the whole bottle in that huge mixer we had. So, I don't know, maybe a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons Worcestershire. That's all you need. Let's see. Little paprika. You want it like a nice orange color. If it's too light, when you're mixing it, just add a little more to it, or...
Yeah, that'll turn it on.
We need some fresh lemon juice now. Wow, these are huge. I don't even think this thing's gonna fit in there. It might break it. There we go.
So half a lemon.
Yeah.
Half a big lemon.
Oh yeah, average size lemon. All right. And I'm gonna chop some parsley, put it in there. All right, we got some beautiful Italian parsley here. We're gonna chop some up and also put it in the in the garlic butter.
Yeah. Dominic made a lot of dishes at the restaurant using this butter. I liked them in the crab claws, man. They were really good. And
The
that
crab
crab
claws,
fingers, yeah, they were really good.
All right. If you don't have a mixer, you can just get the butter really, really soft and just mix it in a bowl.
Right.
With a wire whip. That's perfect.
All right.
Perfect.
Smells like Daddy Jack's. All right.
We're gonna get started on our shrimp scampi. We got garlic, green onions, which we're gonna put in last. We did shrimp scampi a little different at Daddy Jack's. We added diced up Roma tomatoes and mushrooms in there also. All right, I'm gonna chop up some garlic here. That's some big garlic, man. Some beautiful white mushrooms. All right, now we're gonna cut up some tomatoes.
Roma tomatoes.
Roma tomatoes. I'm gonna dice them up a little bit. I'll kind of put them like, we're gonna put them in like when the shrimp scampi's only got about a minute to go. Just to, you know, because you don't want to get them,
Too soft, right? Too mouchard.
right.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and put our pasta in because this is gonna take about 10 minutes and the shrimp scampi doesn't take that long. All right, we got our shrimp here. We're gonna season up the flour a little bit with some salt and pepper. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and dredge our shrimp in here in the flour while our pan gets hot. But we have 4 pounds of shrimp, but we're not gonna do all of them right now because I could eat all of these shrimp myself. Turn that linguine. And that's it.
Nice and dredged.
Now we're gonna get our garlic butter going. We're gonna add a little more garlic to this because shrimp scampi takes quite a bit of garlic. That's about a couple of cloves. We're gonna start it off with a little olive oil in there first, and then we'll add the garlic butter and wine and lemon juice and all that.
That good stuff.
You don't want to get the garlic too brown. It'll be too bitter.
Big it over, it's getting brown. No, I'm just kidding.
All right. Now we're going to put our shrimp in.
Now the flour holds the flavor of all this delicious butter, wine, garlic. And plus it makes the sauce thicker.
Makes it a little thicker.
Yeah.
The linguine should be ready in about 5 minutes. So,
Timing is everything.
especially when you're cooking seafood.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to add garlic butter in there and some wine, lemon juice.
Oh, nice. Oh, it smells unbelievable.
All right, we're going to put our wine in there now. Check, see if that's ready. That's a linguine, because we're going to be ready in about 3 minutes. You can always add a little more wine or a little more butter, but there's just 3 of us eating right now, so smell good. Put a little more vino in there, and a little more butter.
Unbelievable.
Okay, see that, everybody? That's the like consistency you want the butter to look like. You don't want it to get greasy and oily.
No.
And please, don't ask me if you can use margarine for a substitute. No, you can't.
Just butter.
Just real butter, real ingredients. I hate all that other crap.
That looks so freaking good.
A little more vino.
Yeah, why not?
See how nice and thick the sauce got?
Yeah. Very nice. What are you gonna throw the tomatoes in?
Probably right now. Now we're gonna throw in our tomatoes, and then we're gonna take it off the burner.
Beautiful. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Just made that dish pop. Nice.
And this is ready.
Okay.
All right, guys, we're gonna put a little bit of lemon in there now. Oop.
Nice.
Okay, man, we're ready to eat. Now I'm gonna put a little parsley in there, and then we're gonna garnish the top with a little green onions.
All right.
We are ready to eat. Dish up that linguine, man.
All right.
I'm gonna put this right over the linguine.
Oh my God, it looks beautiful.
How does that look?
Oh, beautiful.
And now we're gonna garnish the top with a little bit of green onions.
Definitely a Daddy Jack trademark.
Yeah,
Green onions.
Jack. Green onions and tarragon. Jack.
That's it.
He loves tarragon.
All right, let's eat.
Let's dig into this feast. It smells like Daddy Jack's restaurant already. Oh man, that looks great.
It's good.
Look at that dish right there.
Yeah, give me a dish.
Beautiful. That sauce is so creamy. It's not watery like you get in most Scampis.
Don't you just love Sundays?
Yes. Pasta bake.
Any good?
Absolutely delicious. Man. And always be sure to find some good quality shrimp.
Yeah.
Makes a big difference. Well, folks, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you guys next time.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Take care, guys.